No.
If we do this?
Yeah, we'll do that.
Hey everyone, Jessica Cabesi here. In today's video, we're gonna be shooting really cheap eBay dresses and making them look expensive. For today's challenge, we have a stylist, we had makeup and hair, and we're gonna be using all these elements to create a really fun photo shoot. Today's model is Sophia. How do you feel about wearing really cheap eBay dresses?
To be completely honest, that's been it was like my whole upbringing. So, I mean, there's like just going back like 10 years.
We're taking you back. It's a time machine today.
I'm excited. And sometimes the cheaper things like have more character, you know?
Yeah.
So I'm excited. I'm really pumped.
So we're gonna have Sophia take a look at the dresses for the first time and get her reaction, and then we're gonna have her styled by stylist Sarah. Stylist Sarah! Wanna jump in?
Get over here.
That's me.
That's Sarah. She's gonna be styling today. Any difficulties you've had with this?
I'm terrified.
Is it that bad?
Yeah, it is that bad. She
Okay,
picked everything and anything off eBay.
Okay.
That's the competition, though.
We're gonna get the worst ones all up in here.
Great. Can't wait.
Let's go. Cut.
You guys really like this.
Okay, that was the worst one. I'm not gonna lie. This is the
Sarah.
worst one.
You know what this reminds me of? What is it? Doilies. Doilies from your grandmother's bathroom.
So I'm gonna cut it all weird and messed up. I like it like that. Boom. Shakalaka. Now you got a little pocket.
I mean,
You can put it anything.
I think this is kind of cool, guys.
You did.
Get a patent on this now.
We're gonna get lawyers on this, okay? No one copy it.
Seriously?
You think so?
I'm down to leave right now and go to a lawyer and get this
After
going.
this, we're gonna go?
Let's go. But what are you doing? I'm so intrigued.
And then just one with the sweater, like you can take it off almost, like the top of it.
This?
Yeah, just so
Like
we can show
over
the
my
dress
head?
more. Yeah. I want to really use the dress in the shot as much as possible. Yeah, that's cool.
Next
A
one.
pink one.
Another pink.
I don't mind this one either. What? This is actually,
Sophia, you're out of this!
Ready for Easter?
it's kind of boho. It's kind of like a little, you know,
Yeah,
it's
it
kind of
is.
like for Love and Lemons. Like I could see, you know, it's
Okay,
cute.
fine.
Put a
I'm
slit in
looking
it
at it like
and
little.
it's fine.
Put a slit. Move a little bit this way, just because that. Yeah, right there. Okay, it's right there. Oh.
Oh,
This one's adorable. I like this
this
one.
isn't bad.
This one's mine.
You know what? This is cute. Jessica, you could have done a really good job at picking bad things, but you actually picked a lot of
I
good
had
things.
no idea where this was going. She's like, you could have done
A
a.
better job at picking bad things. This is good.
Thank you.
Okay, so this is actually a super affordable look. This is a thrift store shirt for $2. Just letting you know, everything is really freaking cheap. Those shoes were probably, babe, you got those shoes.
I think they were like $40 or something.
That's probably the most expensive thing she's wearing.
Yeah.
So the other outfits are also all the same thing, like cheap, super cheap. Mostly everything is pretty much thrifted. So the looks are super, super affordable. so she's gonna wear this one. I think this one's kind of cute. She got this one. Oh.
Guys, this isn't even bad.
This one's cute.
This one's nice.
Oh yeah, this one's cute.
I
Wait
like
till you see
this
the other
one.
ones. The other ones are like falling
That
apart.
actually is like my prom dress, but pink. I wore a black sequin dress to prom.
This one's adorable.
Oh,
I like
okay,
this
we're bringing
one.
back prom.
Okay, I like that.
Me too.
Very nice. Okay, so when is
Not-
this gonna get bad?
Not the
This is
reaction I
fine.
was looking for, but I was
Not the
like-
reaction I was looking for.
My settings were wrong. Sorry.
Just came out like blown out.
Imagine the photographer's like,
It's got not a good feeling.
Yep, there. Okay, so are you okay? So all the items that you see used for the shoot are under about $20. Some of them are even under $10. So it's really affordable. I think it is important to style your looks, and even if you don't have a stylist, you know, just putting things together will make a complete look. You don't have to spend a lot of money, which is the entire point of this photo shoot. You can get affordable, even thrifted clothing or clothing from eBay and really make it look fashionable, just how you photograph it. Make sure those poses are creative and use the location as best you can. I think if there's something to take away from this video is that you don't always need the most expensive items to make a good shot. This one's supposed to be like the classy one.
I don't mind this one.
Right?
like
It can be
this.
cute.
This is pretty.
It's a two-piece.
Guys, this is pretty.
Yeah, this one's cute.
I like this one. Nice choice, Jessica.
Thank you. Are you ready to do the last outfit?
Yes, follow me.
Where to go? Okay, so how was that?
Lots of fun.
I think we did amazing, but you know, we could not have done this without
Me.
our amazing stylist, Sarah.
Hi.
I really honestly did such a great job. You used affordable items to bring, you know, a lot of different elements into the photo, and
You put your own spin on it.
yeah.
Some fun, you know? You really don't need expensive things. Like, don't get me wrong, like, I, like, dream about expensive stuff.
Yeah, we go past like the designer stores and we're like, oh my god, I wish we could shoot in that. But
Yeah.
we kind of like do our own spin on that, but for
Yes.
like $5,000 cheaper.
And I like this
Yeah.
because that's my whole lifestyle. Like I don't promote big brands. I don't really support what they stand for. I don't like to exploit animals. So I feel like this was really cool for me because it shows people that you can, you know, have a really cool look without spending a lot of money and without hurting anything in the process. So
Yeah. We hope you guys love the video. We hope you guys love the outfits. Let us know which one's your favorite.
yeah. I know my favorite.
Please.
What is it?
My favorite was the neon boots.
Yes.
That was fun, right?
But that was the
I was
all-around
so
favorite.
excited
That was a
to
good one.
use those.
That was really good.
Yeah, I use pops of color. Honestly, everything, anything I could really say is use dramatic things in photos because simple isn't gonna do. You want things to like have dimension and you want the photo to stand out more. So use colors, use big giant objects like huge shoes and like stuff like that.
That's the end of the video.
Thank you so much for watching.
Thank you.
And we'll
so
see you guys
much.
later.
Yay.
Go shopping on eBay.
Go shopping on eBay.
Let's walk out.
Okay. No, she can't steal the show. Come on.